Hello viewers, welcome back to another great video. In this video we are going to discuss about 10 signs financially weak people do. Let's jump into the video. Financial instability can show in numerous ways, and it's crucial to understand the indications to prevent getting into financial problems. Here are 10 warning signals of financial weakness. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a symptom of financial instability. That indicates that you are spending all of your income each month and have little or no savings to fall back on in case of emergency. 2. Making out credit cards. A symptom of bad finances is maxing out your credit cards. It means that you are relying on credit to cover your expenses and may be unable to pay off your debt in full each month. 3. Ignoring bills and debts. Ignoring bills and debts is a sign of financial fragility. It means that you are avoiding your financial obligations and may be accruing late fees and interest charges. 4. Lack of budgeting and financial planning. Financial weakness is indicated by a lack of budgeting and financial planning. It implies that you are not keeping track of your earnings and outgoing costs, which could lead to overspending or the loss of savings possibilities. 5. Poor credit score. Having a poor credit score is a sign of financial weakness. It can make it difficult to obtain authorization for loans and credit cards and may result in higher interest rates and costs. 6. No emergency savings. Not having emergency funds is an indication of financial weakness. That means that you are not prepared for unforeseen expenses and may have to rely on credit or loans to cover them. 7. Borrowing from retirement accounts. Borrowing from retirement accounts is an indication of financial instability. It indicates that you may be endangering your future financial security if you are utilizing your retirement funds to pay for current needs. 8. No retirement savings. Not having retirement savings is an indication of financial weakness. That indicates that you may be unable to retire comfortably or may have to rely on government aid in retirement. 9. High debt-to-income ratio. Having a high debt-to-income ratio is a symptom of financial weakness. It signifies that you are carrying a big amount of debt relative to your income and may be at risk of defaulting on your debt. 10. Over-reliance on one source of income. Over-reliance on one source of income is an indication of financial fragility. That means that you may be exposed to job loss or changes in the economy and may have restricted options in case of financial trouble. In summary, financial weakness can manifest in many different ways, including living paycheck to paycheck, maxing out credit cards, ignoring bills and debts, lack of budgeting and financial planning, poor credit score, no emergency savings, borrowing from retirement accounts, no retirement savings, high debt-to-income ratio, and over-reliance on one source of income. You can strengthen your financial situation and create a more secure financial future by being aware of these warning indicators and taking action to solve them. Comment down which one has impressed you, which one you will need to improve in your life. Thank you for watching this whole video. If you like this work, kindly support our channel for regular videos.